Hello, I've now uploaded another video. As you can see, this one is for a starter set, train set for a young person, quite easy to make really, and relatively cheap, making the buildings out of wood, colouring them in with some felt tips so you can get your kids to join in with that one, and yeah, just two circuits that fits on a board with wheels on the base that you can slide under the bed out of the way. Yeah, so it's a good starter set and something that the kids can build on. Take a look. Well, now it's all painted. I've painted quite a few different things, but the roofs on the stations and the signal box roof 2 and green, so it's quite good now. What do you think? Well, that was that starter set layout done now. Just something for the children really, but you know, you can build on it and make it you know, a fantastic, highly detailed layout that just fits under your bed. Anyway, that's it for this time, and if you want to give us a thumbs up, I appreciate that, or if you want to subscribe if you're new to my channel, click subscribe, and see you next time. Bye for now.